where luxury meets location. Welcome to 483 Douglas Edward Drive in Meadow Ridge, what I like to call a hidden gem here in the North Windermere area. It means you have easy access to interstates, shopping, and dining, and it's zoned for great schools. Truly a special spot to live here in Central Florida. This home is a very popular one-story floor plan here in Meadow Ridge, and here's why. It's a 3-bedroom plus an office, but every bedroom is en suite, meaning everyone has their own dedicated bath. To top it off, those are Tesla solar panels, and they will be fully paid off at closing, meaning you get to enjoy a lower cost of living. Contact me today for your private showing.